Hi, there's Xuanyi from group 7. Our dataset is Pokemon for this project, and I'm doing the type chart worksheet and analyzing the multiplier for attack, defense, and effectiveness. Because I have few dimensional measures, so I will analyze as many as possible. The multiplier means the effect of attack for different Pokemon. The first graph shows the average multiplier for effectiveness. We can see that the super effective multiplier, the super effectiveness is the tallest, which means the average multiplier is the largest, which is number 2. We can see there's a number 51, which is the number of multiplier. The second graph shows the function of classification for multiplier. We can see that for each defense attribute that corresponds to an attack attribute, and there's a relative calculation to this multiplier. For example, for the attack is bark, the defense is dragon. We can see the multiplier is 1, and the number of multiplier is also the 1. For the dragon, for the attack is dragon, the defense is fighting. The multiplier is 1, and the number of the multiplier is also the 1. The next graph shows the sum of multiplier for effectiveness and attack. We can see that the normal effectiveness has the largest sum of multiplier because each number is larger than the other two columns, and the depth of the color on the right represents the number of the sides. For example, for the attack is bark, the sum multiplier for the no effect is 0. The sum multiplier for the normal effectiveness is 8, and for the not very effective is 3.5, and for the super effective is 6. The next graph is a trend about the number of multiplier for effectiveness and attack. We can see that the trend of change is tortuous. For the normal effectiveness, we can see that the largest number of multiplier appeared to the dragon and the normal, and for the not very effectiveness, it appeared to the bug and the grass. And we can see the normal effectiveness, the number of multiplier is both greater than 5. The last graph shows the max multiplier for effectiveness and attack. On the right, we can see different colors representing different effectiveness. For example, for the bug attributes, the max multiplier is 2 for super effective, and the max multiplier for the normal is 1, and the max multiplier for the not very effective is 0.5. Also, we found that the dragon, electric, fighting, ghost, ground, normal, poison, and physic cover all effectiveness. Through the analysis of the above data, we can understand the detailed change of the corresponding multiplier of attack, defense, and effectiveness.